Hello dear friends. Today I'm going to make a review about my backpack. Brand is Fancier. This is a beautiful backpack because it has a ventilation at the back part so good. Now it's maybe more than 30 degrees and really I don't sweat. In this camera bag also quite comfortable on me. It doesn't disturb my shoulders any. Also it has a rain protection. Let me show you. Under this bag we have this rain protection part cover. It's working quite well. It has some straps here to fasten it. After I tighten it that way, it's quite comfortable. Doesn't disturb me any. I do like street photography and carry my camera I love to carry my camera all the time with me and the other technology stuff, tech stuff, and so I need a backpack. And shoulder bags really annoying after using them, carrying them like 4 hours. They do let me feel uncomfortable, but backpacks I can walk with them all the time, and even if I am without backpack I feel not okay. The next part of the video you will find much more details about this backpack. If this video review is useful for you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye. And now, dear friends, let's take a closer look to the camera bag. First, there is a pouch at the front of the bag. It's a huge pouch. There are some pockets inside. I put many batteries, rechargeable batteries, and there's a brush to clean the lens, some other cables, what I will need, and some more batteries, chargers, and keys, mini tripod. As you see, this pouch is not opening totally. There's a safety part for to prevent it totally opens and everything falls down. There's no issue like this. And some tissues and some certificates and my remote controller of the camera. Okay, let's close it. And this part I put my camera here, Sony a6000 with 30mm lens, f1.4 DCDN lens. This pocket holds the camera so good inside, it doesn't move inside the bag any. Zips are quite high quality, and the other part, which I will not use this pocket probably, but because I will get the flash speed light from insider part, probably my speed light, Godox. Some charger, microphone stand, and this trigger of the camera, rocket pump, trigger back to this pocket, and speed light here this way. Oh, sorry, rocket pump I forgot outside. I can put it in later from the back part. Ta-ta! Speed light again. Rocket pump, I put it back. Here I put my voice recorder and the other stuff. Here my storages, some caps of the lens. Okay. And here, as you know, camera, and there are some pockets below. Let's take a look. My portrait lens. This is helios. I love it so much. Full metal, heavy, constructed. And here, my kit lens. Here, small but useful lens. This is a pancake lens. Let's put them back. Because these pockets parts are so down part of the bag, we can't get to them easily. But okay, I will not need them so much. When it will be essential, I can get it, no problem. And what more do we have here? There's another pocket. I put my 7-inch tablet, Samsung 113 there, and my laptop probably I will carry with me. Let's measure its size. Is big like this. This is A4 standard paper, and it is just 1 or 2 fingers taller than this. Okay, let's look if it fits or not. Yeah, easily it can fit. Can we close the bag? Yeah, no problem. Maybe we need to push a little. I hope I don't hurt camera like this. Okay, but it's now pretty heavy. Without laptop computer, it was 5.5 kilo totally with everything inside. I measured it in airport sensitive weight scale. It was 5.5 kilo. And the front, the top part, this pocket is really big. You see, but you will not realize how big it is. I can say there is my cafe bag. Okay, it was a bad idea. Okay, what can I put inside? Okay, for example, let's get the tablet computer again. Okay, we can put it in this part, upper part, so easily. And then not only like this, also I can put like this, as you know, as you see, 7-inch tablet I can put here easily. Also like this, also like this. And maybe Of course, I will put the cables of the laptop computer in here. Okay, I should close this part at first. Okay, what more can we put? Of course, my extra batteries I can put easily. Okay, what this bag takes in it will not be more than 8 kilo, so it's okay for airport transportation rules. I love this bag. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. I hope you will push the like button if the video was useful. Thanks. Bye.